Don't you dare!
You next.
Don't kill me!
Okay.
That was easy.
Where is G-Man?
All of you ready to do this?
I'm here, and I brought visitors.
We are here. Let's kick some Skibidi toilet.
No, we out of here. What?
Bye-bye.
Bro. Okay then, I will fight. Let the battle begin.
Don't work now. I will get him.
I will kill you.
No, you won't.
Get your ass off of me.
Got your head. Time to finish this.
I will knock your ass out. Get off.
It doesn't work. Stop it.
No.
He said stop it.
Oh.
Shut your ass up. Shut up. Now, I will knock your ass out. Give those eyeballs.
My eyes.
I want a roasting G-Man. Burn, dumbass. Now he is dead. Wait. What the fuck is this?
Come to Daddy.
Come on. No, I'm a Chad. Why again? Ow. Titan cameraman, are you okay? I told you I'm a Chad, but I lost. I'm okay. But maybe not. I need help.